Izithunywa ziyivale ngegiye eliphezulu ingqungquthela yenqubomgomo yeqembu inkathi enkululeko. Kulezi zinsuku ezimbili iqembu lithathe izinqumo ezinqala lithi-ke asiyekwe isifundo i-life orientation ezikoleni.
And if our education system does not address the issue of unemployment, then the education system itself would have failed. Now, our prioritization of entrepreneurship is not necessarily to say that life orientation is not important, teaching, addressing issues of social ills. We're not saying it's not important. But on the scale of priority, we're saying that if we equip as a compulsory aspect entrepreneurship within our learners, then there is a possibility of self-help and self-reliance if one does not succeed academically.
Leli qembu lithi-ke alusebenzi kahle uhlelo lukahulumeni lokuklama isabelomali ngendlela efanayo.
All we are saying is that more powers must be given to the local spheres of government so that we fast-track service delivery to our people.
Odabeni lobudlelwane namanye amazwe omhlaba, inkatha ithi iyakholelwa esisombululweni esihlanganisa amazwe amabili kule nqoshunqoshu eshunqa phansi phakathi kwelakwa-Israel kanye nelasePalestina.
They have not informed the international community that they have abandoned that option. We remember fondly that the late leader of the Palestinian Authority, Yasser Arafat, went down to his grave calling for the implementation of a two-state solution.
Umengameli weqembu uvele Nkosi Nihlabisa uthi le nqubomgomo abavumelane ngayo iyenza leli qembu likulungele ukubusa.
With the policies now before us, the IFP has a clear idea of what government will look like in 2024 if we receive the mandate of the electorate to govern.
Leli qembu lithi seyicacepha indlela ebheka okhethweni kazwelonke, kanti-ke ngenyanga kaMbasa leli qembu lizokwethula uhlu lwezethembiso elizobe liheha ngalo amavoti. Ezindabeni zethu ku-Channel 163 olethelwa yiNewsroom Africa, nginguNtando Mnyandu, Empangeni.